Prior to escalating any troubleshooting issues you were having with a Stratus ADS-B receiver, Aperio Aviation Support Specialists recommend first executing a factory reset. To restore your Stratus ADS-B receiver back to the default factory settings, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, turn on your Stratus 2, 2i, 2s, 3, or 3i ADS-B receiver. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds while the receiver is on to return it to its default factory settings. Initially, 3 flashing green lights will appear. When the factory reset is complete, all of the LED indicators change from green to yellow to green. That LED sequence indicates a successful factory reset. Your Stratus ADS-B receiver has now been completely reset with exception to the items currently on screen. It is important to note, if your Stratus ADS-B receiver is connected to a transponder, you will need to re-enable the Turn On When Plugged In feature, as it will be disabled by the factory reset. If you're flying with an app other than ForeFlight Mobile or Stratus Horizon Pro, re-enable Open ADS-B mode in Stratus Horizon Pro. If you have any additional questions about resetting your Stratus ADS-B receiver, or if a factory reset did not resolve your issue, please contact us at aperio.com/support or by email at support@aperio.com.